Today we will be unboxing Diamond Art Club's Pink Ragdoll Cat. She is a big one. She is 98 centimeters by 65 centimeters. And I apologize in advance, I do have birds and they are screaming right now in the background. Anyhow, let's get this bad boy open. So, in this box, we'll get a toolkit. It comes with everything you need to diamond paint. This is a newer toolkit. And on the back, it has the contents listed of what's in it. Since this is a square kit, this one does come with tweezers. You'll also get a sticker. A lot of people will put these on their boxes if they're storing them. Some people will put them in their logbooks. Or I've seen people also make cover minders out of these. And then we got the canvas. We'll set the canvas aside and open up the toolkit. Maybe. So in this toolkit, since again it is a square kit, we'll get tweezers, and they come with a cap on them because they are very sharp. We got an orange pen. Let's just pull everything out. So we have the orange pen and an orange matching squishy. And here is our washi tape for this kit. Oh, she is beautiful. Gotta love the hearts. And then we get the cover minder with the magnet on the back. This is if you want to pull back the plastic on your canvas. You put this side on top of the canvas, and then you put the magnet on the bottom, and it will hold the plastic cover back for you. Oops. And then we get a heart-shaped caddy that contains 2 pink waxes in them. They are covered with plastic, so you do need to remove the plastic before you use them. Then we get our 6 placer and our 7 placer. Here is their tray. This one is the clear with the glitter. They are starting to come out with opaque white ones, and it comes with a stopper. You put it right in there. It keeps it from the drills coming out when you're shaking it, and when you're done using it, you pop this off, and then you can put it back into whatever container that you use. And of course, we have our bag of baggies. Alrighty, let's get this put away, and then we could get into this kit. And again, I apologize. My birds are going crazy right now in the background. Alrighty, I'm excited for this one. And I apologize in advance if my head comes into view. This is my second video, so I'm still fairly new at this. But I had fun doing the last one, so I figured I'd do this one. Alright, let's get these drills out and the sticker sheets. So we do get a sticker sheet in this, and it looks like we have 1, 2, 3 ABs in this one, and 51 colors. Here's another thing of the bigger sticker where you can put it in your log journal or do whatever you want with it. And we get the thank you pamphlet. These are for first-time buyers off the app. You get 20% discount. They give you the QR codes to get to that. Then it comes with instructions and what's included in your kit. And it also gives you a QR code to go to the Facebook VIP group and the instruction video if you need help with that. Alright, should we get in those drills and find the ABs? Gosh, guys, this is really pretty. Ooh, look at that. If you look right here, there's 3 big packs of ABs. Let's go like this. So I will not be reading off the numbers because, oh, let's see if you guys can see the numbers. There we go. I swear I'm dyslexic. I'll read them backwards. So looks like we got 2 packs of that. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 packs of 310. Sorry guys, I'm trying to see if make sure it's not glaring. My last video was glaring pretty bad. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of 9.39. Those are gorgeous. I love that color. It's like a peachy pink. Two packs of 9.38. Two packs of 30.72. 3 packs. Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure out where the glitter is going off of this. That's for the first pack. Looks like we got 2 packs of 9.28. Here I said I wasn't going to read it off, and here I am reading it off. Our first AB, 126. That is a very pale purple. It is gorgeous. I love it. Look at the iridescent on that. Ooh. I hope you guys can see the numbers okay. I'm still learning. I'm learning to do these. There we go. There you go, so you can see that number. There we go. That's it for the second row. And then this is our second AB, 124. It's like a pale pink. Oh, those are so pretty. So I will take out the ABs from these packs and put them coordinating with the ABs on the canvas so you guys kind of get an idea of where they go. So third pack. And our final one. Two packs, $9.50. Oh, and here is our third and final AB. It's a white iridescent. actually. It's 1, 2, 3 packs of them. I just realized this one is $9.51 and then this one is $9.15. Good way to throw me off. Alright guys, I will be right back. I'm going to get those ABs ready. Alright, we're going to unfold the canvas and go over the canvas, and then we'll point out the ABs to see where these bad boys. Are you guys ready? I've cheated already and pulled this out to see what it looks like, and it is stunning. I love it. I'm going to try my best to get this into frame. Oh, look at it. In all its glory. I'm going to flip it over and roll it the other way really quick. So Diamond Art Club does have self-flattening canvas, but if you turn it around and roll it the other way, it will help it lay out flatter. This is a big one. She's gorgeous. I absolutely love this one. And the funny thing is, I'm a bird lady, but this cat one is just absolutely gorgeous. My dad had a ragdoll cat as we were growing up named Pugsley, and this reminded me of her, so I had to get it. Alright guys, so 124, the light pink AB, will be number 1. 126 is the light purple AB, and that will be number 2. And the 3 packs of the white is 141, and that is number 3. And again, here is a look at these gorgeous ABs. They gave quite a bit of a generous amount of these ABs. So this paint is gonna sparkle. Okie dokie, let's get into the canvas and see where the ABs go. So, number 1, which is the light pink. We got some number 1s up here in the whiskers. Looks like we got number 1s over here kind of scattered. We got some number 1s out through her face. They're all kind of scattered there. And her ear over here. Not seeing any over there for number 1. Or down here. Alright, so number 2, which is this very beautiful purple AB. We got a bunch of number 2s right here and over here. Got some more over here. And again, if I get my head in there, I apologize. Got some number 2s down here. Got some number 2s in her face. And in the ear over here. As well as over here. Oh, and here. And a little bit down here. Oops, you guys can't see. A little bit right down in this area. It's hard to get these bigger canvases in frame. I'm trying. So that is the top part of the canvas. Let's see if I can get the bottom part of it. And there is the bottom part of the canvas. She is the beauty. Alrighty. Alright, let's look for number 3. Again, is this gorgeous white baby. There is her whiskers. All her whiskers are going to be the 3AB. That is going to be gorgeous. Over here, some right here. We got some in her eyes. Right here in her nose. We got some down here in the bottom of the white of her fur. Some 3ABs kind of scattered everywhere in the background over here. Like more in these like little white spots that you see. And right here. A ton right here. Got some down. Oh, you guys can't see again. Hold on. So a ton of 3AB right here. Again, that is the white one. Yeah, it looks like it's scattered pretty much everywhere on here. They did a fantastic job at rendering and placing these ABs, because we got more up in her ear up here and more over here where the white spots are over here. That's gonna be all AB, guys. She is gorgeous. I'm gonna try to, still figuring out editing, so I'm gonna try to figure out if I could take a picture of this and insert it somewhere in the video. I don't know if I'm that talented yet, but I will try. I'm trying to get her in the best I can. I think, oops, we're going wrong way. There we go. Yeah, that's the furthest I can do. Well, guys, that is it. I had a lot of fun doing my last video, so I figured I'd go ahead and make another video of this canvas, of the Pink Ragdoll one. Kind of give a little backstory on why I got it. Again, it was because of my dad's cat looked exactly like this, and I had to get it. I am going to do it and give it to him. I'm not sure he'll be a fan of the pink, but oh well. But yeah, Diamond Art Club's canvases are super, super soft. As far as I know, they actually upgraded their canvas things from what I've heard to even more soft background canvas, sorry. And then go over the canvas a little bit before I go. So the company name will be up here. We have a legend on this side. We also have another legend on this side. And then down at the bottom of the canvas, sorry guys, like I said, I don't have much space. We'll have your warranty information here. Their Facebook, Instagram information all right here. And then you will get the canvas name, the artist, the dimensions, and the picture right here on this corner. Alright guys, well that'll be it for this video. I might do a couple more unboxings, we'll see. I appreciate the views and the likes and everything else. You guys have a great day, and I will see you probably in another unboxings. Bye bye.